Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the Sol token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Basketball's Meta World Peace dropped Solana NFT sneaker collection with Blanksols. Blanksols, a decentralized sneaker company, has announced a partnership with former NBA champion Meta Sanford Artist, better known as Meta World Peace, and before that Ron Artist, to launch Meta Designasols, a series of limited edition Solana-based NFTs and physical sneakers. The goal, Blanksols co-founder Raymond Dong told Decrypt, is to have the sneaker to be a blank canvas for expression for partners in our network. Meta Designasols is Blanksols first inspired by Meta World Peace's history as a player and his spirit animal, the panda. There will be 450 unique Meta Designasols in the mint that takes place March 14 to March 20 on Magic Eden, according to Blanksols, and those who are redeeming a Designasols token will unlock an exclusive physical pair of limited edition Meta Designasols by Shu, an NFT designer Mark Seepy, president of SNKR project. Dong said when people buy the Meta Designasols NFTs, Blanksols will collect their shoe sizes and send them the physical shoes about a month later. After the initial run of 450, Dong said production could be ramped up to make thousands more. Technology is something I'm interested in, Sanford Artist told Decrypt. Now that I'm retired, I wanted to do something for basketball players using the existing technology or building a platform. Sanford Artist, who won a title in 2010 with the Los Angeles Lakers, said part of his motivation for this project is to help players market themselves digitally, such as with NFTs. When I had the opportunity to do Blanksols, I'm like, wow, I always wanted my own shoe, he added. This is my sneaker deal for me. Blanksols also allow for creativity. Logos or personal messages can be included on the NFT sneakers. This is why I'm a big fan of Blanksols, he added. I think more athletes should take advantage of what's happening right now. Founded in December 2021, Blanksols is built on Solana and offers limited edition physical apparel and access to virtual and real-life experiences. Michael Jordan and Shaquille O'Neal each made a recent foray into the Solana ecosystem, O'Neal going so far as to add a Sol domain to his name on Twitter. In January, Jordan joined Multicoin Capital, Jump Crypto, Solana Ventures, and others to invest $46 million into the Solana NFT protocol Metaplex. Solana has been great partners to us from the beginning, Dong said. They're the biggest basketball fans, and one of the fastest growing blockchains for basketball players for NFTs out there. And the second news today is Luna outpaces ADA and Sol. Why Terra's pose mechanism trumps Cardano and Solana. The crypto market has seen a major reshuffling. Terra, Luna, has continued to outperform Solana, Sol, and Cardano, ADA, in market valuation. Per data from CoinGecko, Luna is now the 7th largest crypto, with a market capitalization of over $34 billion, while Sol and ADA clock in at 8th and 9th respectively. What has been driving Luna's rise? Several factors have been named as the reason for the impressive run Luna has seen. One of these is the unique use case and mode of operation that Terra has. Terra is a proof-of-stake blockchain that lets users create stablecoins pegged to fiat currencies. These stablecoins leverage the network's signage mechanism. Also remarkable is that the stablecoins can be completely decentralized and regulation-resistant, unlike other stablecoins, such as USDT, USDC, and DAI. The flagship stablecoin on Terra is the dollar-pegged Terra United States dollars, US. US is currently the 4th biggest stablecoin in the crypto market, with a valuation of over $13 billion. Luna and US play key roles in the Terra ecosystem. Luna is both the POS token and the reserve asset used to absorb volatility in the price of US if it deviates from $1. The proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that the Terra blockchain utilizes is also unique in its way. According to Asparagoid, the market pundit on Twitter, Terra's POS mechanism trumps those of both Solana and Cardano. This is because staking rewards on Terra do not inflate the supply of Luna, as they are based on network value. Stakers on Terra are rewarded in US from gas fees and swapping fees accrued from transactions. While Luna is deflationary due to this, ADA currently has an inflation rate of around 5.7% per year. The inflation rate of ADA will slowly reduce to 0% when all 45 billion ADA tokens are issued. Similarly, SOL issuance began at an inflation rate of 8% per year, but is set to decrease every year until it settles at 1.5% per year. The market pundit points out that being inflationary, SOL and ADA are unsustainable, unlike Luna. This is because they punish non-stakers by diluting the worth of their holdings. Was Luna's ascendance foretold? The climb Luna has seen is coming after the blockchain has been growing in popularity. Sandyman previously pointed out that the social media mentions of Terra has been on the rise. The social sentiment tracker said it expected to see at least a 20% to 30% increase in the price of Luna. However, Terraform Labs, the developers behind the blockchain, has been dealing with scrutiny from the SEC. Last week, US federal judge ruled that Do Kwon, the CEO of Terraform Labs, should respond to the SEC subpoena filed in November. Luna continues to surge even as the market is watching for the outcome of the case. On the day, Luna is trading at around $93, up 6.77%. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025.